Managing data within IBM Maximo can be complex and time-consuming. Data inconsistencies, historical debt, manual review cycles, and limited visibility into the health of your data slow down operations and increase costs. But what if there was a tool readily available that could help you take back control of your data? Introducing the MaxLogic Data Portal, a powerful solution designed to simplify and streamline master and transactional data management within IBM's Maximo Asset Management Platform. The MaxLogic Data Portal provides a configurable, automated, and analytics-driven data management tool designed to enhance your organization's data accuracy, efficiency, and compliance. Designed with usability at the forefront, its seamless integration with the Maximo application suite means companies can start to improve their data quality and speed up data management, reducing costs. The advanced analytics provide insight into the state of your data, such as the data integrity, compliance status, and change history, giving you plenty of opportunities for optimization. Key features of the portal include workflow and automation, providing a structured process for handling the deployment of data through defined stages. Its template-based management and business rule enforcement will ensure all data is validated before going in, preventing errors and inconsistencies. Built on the easy-to-use IBM Carbon UI, the real-time insights and validations logs available via the user dashboards will further ensure continued insights into the state of your data, management, and compliance. Reach out and organize a demo today to see where you can increase efficiency, save cost, and make use of actionable insights on the state of your data. Take control of your Maximo data today with MaxLogic's Data Portal.